Okay, so meal prep Sunday is officially underway. I've got my stew cooking, and I've got my stir fry ready to go. So let me walk you through the stew first. This is what I'm going to eat for dinner. Got it in a big old crock pot. The base of the stew is going to be about 3 pounds of meat, and that's already pre-cut up stew meat. And then I have some carrots, sprinkled in some minced garlic, a bunch of onion in the bottom here, some red cabbage, and what else did I miss? Some celery. And then I don't have any broth, so what I did is I threw in about, I don't know, half a cup, maybe a full cup of Chianti wine, red wine, and some filtered water, you know. And I'll probably put like a little bit of butter in there too, just because that'll add a little bit of fat and a little bit of texture and kind of bring everything together. So if you don't have broth, you can add some butter and a little bit of water and it'll be fine. On the flip side of the kitchen here, I've got my stir fry station ready to go. I have chicken as well as beef. So the chicken, I'm just going to bake it because it's going to make it easier, and then just throw it in the stir fry when all the veggies and everything is cooked. For protein as well, for the stir fry, I've got some strip steaks, and I've got some more over here too. Let me grab them so I can show you what I'm talking about. I've got this as well. Another steak that I'm going to have to slice and dice up, and some extra lean stew meat, which I'm going to turn into stir fry meat. So I don't know, maybe like 1.5 pounds of beef, as well as some vegetables: green pepper, red pepper, cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, red cabbage, and some celery right here. So I've got 2 large pans sauteing with olive oil and a couple herbs and spices and a bunch of garlic. And that garlic is starting to smell really good. And I'm going to throw these vegetables in right now and get things underway. There we go. I wish you guys could smell this right now. It smells so good. Alright, but you get the idea. And I'm going to throw everything in there. I'm going to throw cauliflower in there. I'm going to throw broccoli in there. Just mix and match. Oh, and I have some spinach that I'm going to throw in there as well. And then I'm also going to pan fry the all the beef. So I'll show you what that looks like when it's all done. Oh yeah, and one other thing I'm going to cook are the breakfast patties for the meat and nuts breakfast. So I'll show you when everything's wrapped up what it looks like. Okay, so the cooking's all finished. I've got my stir fry on my stovetop right here, all my vegetables in the back, and I'm going to mix those together. I'm going to dice up this chicken, and I'm going to put these in separate containers. So I'm going to put chicken in one container, put beef in one container, put all the vegetables in one big container. So if I'm feeling chicken, I'll throw some chicken in with my veggies. If I'm feeling steak that day, I'll throw steak in with my veggies. So that's done. I'm just going to pack it up. I wanted to show you guys what it looked like before the end. And here I've got the stew. I threw a little butter in there because I don't have any broth. So remember, I had wine and a little bit of water, and I just got a kick, man. I got a whiff. That smells good. Those veggies, that garlic smells awesome. And I added the butter just to give it a little more of a brothy texture. So I put that on high. It's about 2:30 p.m. right now. I'm gonna hit the gym here in about an hour, and then I want to eat this around like 8 o'clock. So if it stays on for about 6 hours, I should be good there. And there's one more thing over here you may have noticed. These beef patties, I only have 3 pans, so 3 frying pans. So I need to clean up one of them after I put all that stuff away, and then I'm going to cook my meat patties for my breakfast tomorrow and for the rest of the week. So there you have it, guys. I got my breakfast, which is the meat patties, which I'll eat with some almonds, and then I've got my stir fry with a bunch of vegetables and 2 different types of protein, and I've got my stew. So I usually eat the stew at night for dinner, and then I'll eat the protein for lunch. This stew, this whole crock pot, guys, this whole crock pot is only lasting me like 2 or 3 days. So 2 or 3 dinners, so like 2 or 3 meals. So once I run out of that, I made sure I have a lot of stir fry so that I can have some dinner on like Thursday Friday, maybe even Wednesday night. So there it is, guys. For snacks, just to throw this in here, I might have maybe like a cup of Greek yogurt, full-fat Greek yogurt with a little bit of honey on it just to make it sweet, and then some flaxseed or some chia seeds, just to get some extra protein and fiber in. So there you have it, guys. I'm going to go hit the weights. Got any questions, let me know. Don't forget to train hard. Keep at it every day. Eat well. And I'll talk to you soon.